Tired of endlessly searching for the perfect print-in-mint partner? Let's break down Printify versus Kittl to see which platform reigns supreme for your business in just 90 seconds. First up, Printify. This platform excels in sheer product variety. You'll find everything from apparel and home decor to accessories. Their biggest strength is direct integrations with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and WooCommerce, streamlining your sales process. Note the different print providers. Shop around for the best prices and shipping times. Now, let's switch over to Kittl. Kittl sets itself apart with its powerful, built-in design tools. This is a huge advantage if you don't have dedicated graphic designers. They offer a massive library of templates and graphics specifically for print-in-mint. Think of it as Canva, but tailored for merch. Cost is a crucial factor. Printify generally offers more competitive base prices, especially if you utilize their premium plan. However, remember to factor in your design costs. Kittl's free plan provides access to design tools and limited assets, while their paid plans unlock premium features. Fulfillment is where both platforms shine, though in different ways. Printify outsources to a network of print providers globally, which can lead to variable shipping times and quality. Kittl handles all production and shipping themselves, ensuring more consistent quality control and faster US-based shipping. So, who wins? If product variety and established e-commerce integrations are your priority, Printify is a solid choice. But if you need a user-friendly design platform with consistent quality and fast shipping, Kittl is definitely worth considering. Your ultimate choice depends on your specific needs and business goals.